Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll be discussing important safety precautions for using industrial gases. Whether you're working in a factory, laboratory, or on-site, understanding how to handle these gases safely is essential for protecting yourself, your team, and your workplace. Let's go through the key guidelines together. Unload cylinders immediately upon arrival and transport them in a well-ventilated vehicle. Gas cylinders should never be moved or stored in a closed vehicle. Fire hazards are common with flammable gases, and it is crucial to take the proper safety measures to prevent accidents. All gases behave differently. Before handling any type of gas cylinder, it is imperative that you first read the safety data sheet to become familiar with the properties and hazards of that particular gas. Keep the cylinders locked so that they don't move or topple. To prevent cylinders from rolling, it is recommended that you use straps and chocks to secure them. When transporting cylinders, be sure that the valve cannot be opened. Always transport LPG, propane, and liquefied gas cylinders upright. Acetylene cylinders should be kept upright for at least 30 minutes before use if they need to be transported lying down. Get the training you need. Before being allowed to work with gas cylinders, it is required that you receive training so that you are familiar with how to handle them in an emergency as well as on a day-to-day basis. If you do not feel you have received enough training or need a refresher, please speak to your supervisor. Maintain a proper storage method for the cylinders. To keep your cylinders in good condition, it's important to store them upright, in a well-ventilated area away from heat. You should also separate them according to the properties of their gas. Empty and full cylinders should be stored separately, and you should rotate them so that the oldest ones are used first. Remember, you must never store any flammable material in your cylinder store. If you are seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever new videos drop. For more information, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com.